Now, news from around the country. In Hyderabad, concerned citizens of the Cyberabad area have begun a massive campaign asking people not to use their cars on Thursday. This is aimed at reducing air pollution and traffic pollution. Let's see if it actually works.
It's almost become like a celebration in Cyberabad with these volunteers in fact standing there and thanking people who are taking the bus instead of taking the private car. This is meant to be a campaign to create awareness about people to take the bus. We have in fact stopped some people who are in fact taking their bike to work as well. What's this campaign about?
This campaign is basically to reduce the vehicular pollution by telling the people that you have to come in groups, use the public transportation, don't unnecessarily consume the petrol and create the pollution. In fact, most of the cities have become dangerous to live because the root cause is vehicular density, vehicular pollution.
Yes,
to address
indeed.
that, the only people have to get that this thing. We are responsible for that. So
Okay.
this campaign
Yes.
is all about.
How difficult is it to convince people really to leave the luxury of a car and switch to a bus?
It is not easy at all. And this is a campaign we've started almost 3 weeks back, and it's going to continue. I'm sure it'll take us few months to make a dent. But we believe like of the 50-60,000 cars, at least like 15-20,000, hopefully in the next 2 months, we'll get them off the roads. And then do cycle or walk or bus or carpool, but we'll get private cars out to the extent possible.
Dipankar, many people see you as a celebrity, somebody who has for years been using the bike. In fact, you're also biking in fact to work. What is the message that you want to say now?
Just want to say only one thing. We have taken so much from Mother Nature. It's a payback time.
So this is the kind of spirit, in fact, that people are showing in taking the bus instead of taking the car. And these volunteers here are standing here just to thank people for having taken the bus instead of using the luxury of their car while traveling to work. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.